Xiaomi is preparing to launch the Redmi 14C tomorrow at Vietnamese, and this is the first look Redmi 14C, and this is retail box. Redmi often brings a fresh design with each new series. Redmi 14C come in 4 color options. The Redmi 14C features a 6.88-inch display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate support. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Redmi 14C packs the Helio G81 Ultra, a new entry-level SoC from MediaTek. It's paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. The Redmi 14C features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera and a 13MP selfie shooter. It also packs a substantial 5160 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. We can expect the new phone to debut with an affordable price tag. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.